Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. And today I am using the May Scripture Writing Plan. And here I have the Bible Journaling Margin Art Strip that I've cut from the printables. And I'm just using this as a belly band. I'm using the tape, double-sided tape from the Dollar Tree. Here I am just cutting out the journaling card and cutting out the elements from this page. There is a printable kit, journal kit, elements kit, collage paper kit that goes with this. So all the links will be down below. I'm using this as a belly band, and I'm just kind of embellishing it however that I want, and it's just having fun with it. And journaling, I will be journaling on that journaling card for Psalms 51. Here I'm just sticking all these little elements. I'm using the word labels. I chose the word renew. So please go check out the links below for all these free printables, and come along with me and Bible journal with me, and you can check out the finished videos at the end of this.